If I type it online, which path Google is at? Computing www.google.com. That's just a bunch of Google. You can't do that. The next step. Well, once you've learned how to spell Google right, like this, you get on the Google page. Now you search on Google. We search for Google on Google. Because apparently internet blow up. Bang! Oh no! What happened?
Oh.
It's fine.
Oh, yes, it's fine.
It's fine.
It's working now.
It's fine.
Yeah.
It's
What?
okay.
Yes.
Excellent. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. And now you have searched on Google. You also search for porn. Pornography.
Hang on, let me look.
I like the results.
Pornography addiction.
Ooh. Now remember, kids, don't try this at home, because pornography gets you hooked. You got the wingy on the porno. So, don't do it. Let's go close my lesson. I shut off the monitor because I'm doing something very private. It is not porno. So, shh. Shut off the camera. Excuse me.
Too many egg rolls, old man.
Yes, too many eggs. Shut up. Turn off the camera.
Never.